This is Vishwa. Today I'm going to talk about top 5 health and uh, food habits. So this is most important for everyone in the pandemic situations. So basically, this will really give the good benefit for everyone to follow. And this video is basically talk about more on the practices starting from 20 years to up to 65 70 years of age. These are very basics of one can practice at home, not necessary to invest too much on this. It is a self understandable the tips which I'm going to give you. Okay, let's start on this. The first one is walking. Walking is very essential for any humans, because that will make you to fit, because walking is directly make you keeping you all your entire bodies, good state. And there is a proverb where how many hours and how many kilometers, how many steps one should walk. There is a thumb rule that you need to have at least 10,000 steps in a day, but I would recommend 6,000 is a good start. That translate into 4 kilometers, and that will be somewhere around 45 to 1 hour is the ideal one. Yeah, that's number one, walking. Number two, it's going to be millet practices, which means you can start replacing your dietary, what you have, like the rice items, what you are eating, that into the millet. So you need not be replaced immediately on like tomorrow onwards and all, but slowly you can start. At least you keep the time momentum like 1 year, 2 years. That will really benefit for you. So why millets? So millets is the very essential piece of it. It does not have too much of energies unlike the rice, and that is most important. And in that second topics, I would say avoid sugary items, anything sugar contains. That is most important. When I say avoid, not necessarily you need to cut down completely, but slowly, surely you can make that habits. And these two are the major changes you need to bring in point number two, like practicing the millets. That's point number two. Next, the third point, exercise. In specific exercise, I recommend go for a respiratory systems exercise. That will keep you body fit, because you practicing first tips as a walking, and the third tips as a respiratory system practices. So at least 10 to 15 minutes respiratory exercise will keep you complete body freshness. That's the beauty of like respiratory exercise for any given part. So this you can do it at home. Not necessary you need someone experts to teach this. You can search in Google respiratory yogas and you can start practicing that. That's number 3. And number 4 is very important and easy to practice. Drink water more and more. So everyone is asking like how much one should drink water. So ideal way of drinking water, at least you should have 6 glasses of waters, or you can have at least 3 to 4 liters of water in a given point of time, like in a day. Again, after 7:30 in the evening, so avoid too much of drinking water. But anything after 8 a.m. in the morning up to 7:30, you can drink water how much you want. There is no thumb rule like you need to drink your water like every 1 or 2 hours and all. These are my I've been practicing since last. I feel like one can think of like raw vegetables and semi-boiled kind of vegetables. Like you can have carrot, you can have beans, kind of like half-boiled kind of things. So vegetables is most important, because nowadays what we do like curries, anything is completely boiled. But the same thing if you practice slowly, in the snacks, half boiled vegetables, anything is absolutely good. And there are some other tips in addition to the health, I would say, which I always keep going on. There is like, as I said, avoid rice, eat millets, things like that. And yeah, fruits and vegetables and sprouts is also one among you can reconsider. Avoid three whites, sugar and rice and meats. Lot of drinks, water, and please do subscribe this channel to support and